years or 8 months, and he joined as engineer. Project engineer, then promoted to given charge of purchase in charge. He has done a good job definitely for the companies and contributed a lot to the companies. And he's a very nice person, well talented, and we really appreciate his effort, contribution to the company. Thank you very much for all the efforts and everything. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
I request Ramaya sir, please, anybody birthday.
As a young boy, I just appreciate you for all the efforts that you have made, and I expect you to show the same dynamism everywhere. In fact, you have been good, dynamically good. But in fact, we feel sorry to leaving you. But we have to give you a growth. Probably you find better growth, and we also can provide that growth. But you wish to go. But anytime the doors are open for you to come back,
Right.
anytime and get it done.
I request all of you to maintain such kind of relationship. Definitely. ऐसा बोल के छोड़ के चले जाना क्या है? मतलब कहीं पे भी जाओगे एक रिलेशन मेंटेन तो करो कम से कम.
Good, then all the best
Right.
for you.
Thank you, sir.
That's it. You are leaving. He is leaving now only at 5 o'clock. Again, when are you coming back?
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'm coming for laptop handover, and once a new purchaser comes in Feb, I'll be coming for handover on Saturdays.
Good
Right.
purchase. Join हुआ क्या?
I learned a lot over here. I started as a project engineer. In 6 months I got an opportunity to handle purchase, and after that I became the purchase in charge or the department head for purchase department. It was a roller coaster ride actually for me, like how it started, how the company and all the employees grew in that whole phase. It was definitely fun. It was very dynamic. I never thought it was a sedentary job कि बैठो जो आ रहा है उतना करो. हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने मिला. Yeah, I fought a lot with Brahmaya Garo. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I'll miss you a lot. Thank you, Vikal. Support के लिए.
The challenge is like he has to interact every day with them for payments and with the vendor payments and everything. So that is a great challenge definitely.
I like Ramarao sir, my mentor. Hemant sir, Abhimanyu sir, I've learned a lot from them, like what it takes to run a business. I have seen that very closely with them because they have given me that opportunity to handle and to execute the tasks which were given to me, and I hope I have be at that point as per your requirement and as